Washing machines, destruction playground. You gotta do this. I mean, I've played this game before, but I like it. Nice. Oh, time to end its misery. Or is that how you say it? Wait, I have to pick it up. Oh. I'm gonna teach you how to pick this thing up. So you kind of just. Yep. Why is that so strong? Okay, what one was that? How is that strong? Oh, God. Let's do this. And the end's misery. There we go. Ugh. Doesn't need help. I had to end its misery. It deserves this. It's actually holding up pretty good. Dang! It's holding up against the, it won't hold up against the sledgehammer, though. What? It literally starts to fly. And it's needed its misery to end. The heck? Uh, nah, we had to make this thing die. Dang, this thing isn't. Yeah, we had to make this thing go out of its misery. Dang. It deserves that. Destroy already. Well, can sing. Well, this thing just bonk. You know, it's too strong. Wow, such a good washing machine. Hey, hey. How did I get some flying like that? Yeah, so stop! 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 What the? Help? Anyone? Help? Where am I? Well, there it is. You stop that now. Where am I? He's really angry. Auto clicker time. Um. That washing machine went too crazy. Alright, this is the last one before we switch games, I think. Should we? I don't know. Probably. Yeah, probably. That's a good idea. And 500. It's not even that fast. It needs more speed. The way it's literally twitching. I said And they said that that's right. Can I like destroy this already? Alright, okay. That was only 10 minutes, so we're gonna do another game. I have no idea what to play. What's going here? I guess we could do this. Wait, when did I get that? Okay. I'm just gonna take one thing. And yeah, okay. Different game. I don't know what to do, but I don't know what to do. Yeah, I guess I'll make some videos now. Peace.